Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. I hope you all are fine. Please stay home to stay safe, and inshallah, everything will be fine soon and we will be back to our normal routines. So, dear students, welcome to lesson 4.1 theory session. On Wednesday, we will have a theory session, and inshallah, on Thursday, we will have a tutorial video for the same topic that we are discussing today. So today date is 22 April 2020, and let's start with our lesson. So in this slide we have learning outcome, and there are 2 points. What is point number 1? Good. What a script is. And then what is point number 2? Very good. How to make and run a Scratch script. So dear students, today we are going to discuss in theory, and inshallah on Thursday, tomorrow, the tutorial video will be uploaded regarding these 2 points. It is very important for you to open Scratch and practice it so that it is easy for you to understand by yourself what is there in the Scratch and how you can start creating your animations. Do not worry students, in tutorial video I have already added how to open Scratch and how to create a simple program that is there in lesson 4.1. So we are going to follow the activity that is given in lesson 4.1 today. Introduction to Unit 4. Dear students, kindly open your ICT book page number 52 and 53. Let's go. Let's start with Unit 4. Control the computer, making a math quiz. So that means we are going to use Scratch to make a quiz. By the end of this unit, you will, number 1, know how to make and run a Scratch script for a quiz program. So this is the first point that we are going to focus today in lesson 4.1. In this unit, you are going to make a math quiz using the computer language called Scratch. So we are going to use a Scratch software that uses a Scratch programming language that we already discussed in our last ICT theory session. Let's see what's there in the white box. Computer programs control the way that a computer operates. Different programs make the computer do different things. In this unit, you will create a computer quiz. The computer will ask questions and say if the answer is right or wrong. It will show the score on the screen. So this is all that is going to happen in the whole unit, in 4.1, then 4.2, then 4.3, and go on inshallah. So we are not going to jump to something very fast, do not worry. We are just going to do everything step by step so it is easy for you to understand and learn. So let's go and look what's going on in the next slides. Let's read a fact, a fascinating fact on page number 53 at the bottom of the page. The first computer games were made in 1950s, more than 60 years ago. The first game was Noughts and Crosses. There was also a tennis game and a spaceship game called Space War. Not many people had computers in those days.
Hey friends, we are going to study 4.1. So in next slide, we have introduction to 4.1. So let's go.
Dear students, let's start with lesson 4.1, a simple script. Kindly open your book page number 54. Write today's date on the top of the page, and then we will start. Are you ready? Good. So you will learn. We are going to cover these 3 points. Number 1, what Scratch is. So we already covered this in our last ICT theory session in detail. Number 2, what a script is. We are going to cover this today. Number 3, how to make and run a Scratch script. And this number 3 we are going to cover inshallah tomorrow on Thursday with the help of practical session that is going to be uploaded inshallah. There is a tutorial video for lesson 4.1. Let's read the paragraph. It is a revision for you about what Scratch is. Scratch is a programming language for young learners. In this unit, you will learn to create simple programs using a Scratch programming language. You will create a simple maths quiz for younger students. So dear students, when inshallah step by step with the help of theory sessions and practical sessions you are able to create a quiz, then you are able to create your own animations and ideas. And in case if you have any imagination in your mind and you want to create that with the help of Scratch program, you can do that as well. So good luck for all the practical and theory sessions. Dear students, it is the same page, page number 54. Let's see what's written in the box. How to make a script in Scratch. Let's read. A Scratch script is made of blocks. So we already discussed what are blocks in our last ICT theory sessions. You make a script by fitting blocks together. So if I have one block, that is not a complete program. But if I want to create animation and I join other blocks, more than one blocks together to create animation to move my object on Scratch, so that is known as a script. A complete program is known as a script. You always begin a script by choosing an event. So now the event blocks are very important. Event blocks, you can say, work as a main door to all the other programs or coding. And in other words, event is something else also. For example, we were having National Day event celebrated in our school, and we decorated all our classrooms, school, reception. So that was also an event. So same, when you are decorating your Scratch, you are putting objects, you are putting animations, that is something you are creating an event or decorating or preparing an event, right? So an event is something that happens. When the event happens, the script will be carried out. So when you have an idea, you put a background, you put your objects. Objects could be anything, any sprite, and then you start your coding. So then the script will work when the program is complete. This is the script you will make. So the picture that is given is the one that we are going to follow the activity in our practical tutorial session tomorrow inshallah. The blocks are different colors. We have all other blocks also, but the event blocks are brown. So we have to take care that the event blocks are brown. This is the script you will make. The script will be carried out when the sprite is clicked. So in this activity, we are not going to choose when green flag clicked. According to the lesson 4.1, it is mentioned that we have to choose an event that is when sprite clicked. So when sprite is clicked, something will happen. So we have to create our animation like this. And do not worry students, we are going to create our animation inshallah in our practical tutorial step by step.
Hello, have you seen me somewhere? Think about it. Yes, you are right. When you open Scratch website, you can see me. I'm a cat, a default sprite of a Scratch. Do you know what is default? Default means any object or a thing that appears first always on a software when you open it. So I'm a default sprite of a Scratch and my name is Cat. Meow, meow.
Dear students, mashallah, you people are excellent. Very attentive students. Very good. I'm sure you all are very excited to start creating animations on Scratch. We are halfway to the lesson. We completed half of the slides. Let's go and see forward what's there in next slides.
Hello everyone. Let's discuss about events blocks. All events blocks are very important to start any animation or games. It works as a start button for your games. That means it is a main block for our games or animations. Dear friends, here in new version of Scratch, the events block are of yellow color. The old version of Scratch, the events blocks are brown color.
So dear students, in the previous slide it was explained what are events blocks, right? And here it is explained what is an event. Here in this picture, event means an idea we choose for decorating and designing our game or animation. Dear students, now this is one example I created for you in Scratch, and the question is how many sprites we have in this picture. So let's count. This example will help you in your worksheet as well. So let's see how many sprites we have. We have 4 trees, right? And then we have a frog, so that means 5. Then we have a dog, means 6. And then we have a ball with which the dog is playing, so that means total sprites are 7. Correct? Come on, count it and tell me how many sprites we have total. Very good. We have 7 sprites in total. So can you name the sprites? Very good. Number 1, trees. Very good. Number 2, a dog. Excellent. Number 3, a frog. And the last one, a ball. Excellent. Very good. So that means with the help of this example, you will be able to complete your worksheet. Good luck.
In this slide, we are going to study about what is script. Here it is an example given already. Let's read. Set of instructions or blocks when joined together are known as script. So you can see in the picture, for example, a student created animation where the event block is when green flag clicked and the other block is move 10 steps. And he want only this much animation for his game. So that means this is a complete script or blocks joined together to create his animation. Let's open our book, page number 55. Friends, please open your book, page number 55. Let's go.
Dear students, the steps of the activity are already given in the book, page number 54 and 55. This was a theory session just to introduce what we are going to do in practical session. Inshallah, tomorrow on Thursday, 23 April 2020, on the same YouTube channel, practical tutorial video will be uploaded. You can take help from the book as well, from page number 54 and 55. All the steps are written and I have followed all the steps with basic introduction to Scratch also. So let's read what is the activity about. Create a Scratch program. Number 1. Create a Scratch program with these features. There is a sprite, so you have to choose a sprite. When you click on the sprite, it asks you your name. So then we have to make a code where the Scratch is there and it asks me my name. For example, what's your name? Number 2, run the script to make sure it works. So when the Scratch will ask you what's your name and you type your name, and it doesn't give you any error, that means the program is working correct. So it's only this much for 4.1. Inshallah, we will go further to 4.2 in our next ICT session. And in 4.2, it will give us the reply. Right now, we will just enter the name. That's it. It will ask us what's your name and we will enter the name. If it doesn't give us any error, that means it has accepted. But the program is not complete. It should give us the answer back, right? So that is going to be in 4.2. And inshallah, like this, step by step, we are going to complete the quiz. Now, number 3, save your work. So this is very important. As I told you that we are going to continue with the same animation in each ICT session. So please save your work. I have already explained all the steps in tutorial, how to open Scratch, how to do animations, what are the basic features of Scratch. We have already done in theory and I have given you in the practical tutorial as well. And then how to save your work also. So everything is there. Good luck for your tutorial video. Please open Scratch and practice. The more you practice, the more you will be able to learn the software. A tip from my side. Dear students, you are designers, you are creators, and inshallah, after using the Scratch, you are going to be the young programmers. Good luck.
Hey, I am very excited. Be ready for the first Scratch tutorial. I am just going to practice. I can't wait to see the tutorial video. Are you excited? Yes, I'm also excited a lot. So let's go.
Dear students, inshallah, everything will be fine soon and we will be back to our normal routine. Be hopeful. Together we can. Practice the activities that are given to you, the practical tutorials. You can share your pictures, your work, your videos. While practicing, you can record it and you can send it to me. I will be waiting for it. And do not forget to watch tutorial video tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. We'll see you in next ICT session.